We're still working with Inventor Fusion's form edit tools, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a new edge. Let's activate the New Edge tool here, and we'll select our first edge. Now let's enter a value of 0.75. Press Enter, and here's our first point. Let's click Second Edge now. Let's select the opposite edge, and then select a point on that edge. Enter a value of 0.75, press Enter, and let's click OK. Here's our new edge. Now we can manipulate it. Edit Edge. Let's select our new edge. We'll select Parallel to Selected Plane as our point mode. Select this face here. Let's place a point along the edge, about here. And we'll grab and drag that editing point. Let's click OK to accept our work. And this concludes our tutorial about inserting a new edge.